Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about the International Youth Day. On August 12th every year we celebrate International Youth Day. So for that a speech is prepared on for this day for you. Speech on International Youth Day. So let's start our video. Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Today we are celebrating International Youth Day, which is observed every year on August 12th. Youth are the future of our society and our country. Young people have the energy, creativity, and courage to bring positive changes to the world. Education, good value, hard work, and confidence help youth people achieve their dreams. We should use our talent and knowledge to help others and make our society a better place. Let us expect our responsibilities, learn new things, care for our environment, and always stand for what is right. On the International Youth Day, let us remember that today's young people are tomorrow's leaders. Thank you and have happy International Youth Day. Okay, bye. Thank you.